To activate crypto transfer on Robinhood, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the menu, select the Help option and then choose the Getting Started with Crypto section. Here, you will find the option to enable crypto transfers. Tap on this option and then select Enable Crypto Transfers. You will be required to agree to the terms and conditions of crypto transfers on Robinhood. After agreeing to the terms, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done using the Authenticator app or SMS. Once two-factor authentication is set up, you will be able to find the crypto transfer option under the account icon. Tap on the transfer option and then select the crypto you want to transfer. Enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer in the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Finally, review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. The crypto will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. Keep in mind that crypto transfers on Robinhood may take some time to process and may be subject to fees. It is also important to note that not all states in the U.S. support crypto transfers on Robinhood. So you need to check if your state is supported before attempting to transfer crypto. By following these steps, you can easily activate and use crypto transfer on Robinhood.